Hey everyone. So my mission today is to fold this massive pile of clothes, but first I had to find something to listen to. I probably put on some Kanye, some Smino, some J. Cole, some oldies but goodies. I know I had some R&B in my playlist. But what I'm doing is folding this massive pile of clothes. I've been putting it on for way too long. So we bought a house, me and my husband bought a house this past summer, and all of our clothes from our dresser were sitting in these 3 contract bags in the corner. You can kind of see where they were sitting in this video. It was almost like they were the furniture. So right now I'm in my walk-in closet. Okay, so most of these clothes are actually just like t-shirts from work, you know, some work shirts that I don't wear that often, a few dresses, that I actually, you can see I'm putting them behind me because I actually have to hang those up. So it's some dresses, I have a kimono, that white dress right there is actually the dress I got married in. Crazy enough. I also got some old loppers in there from dance class, some worn out beaters. I'm definitely not holding on to everything, but for now they just have to be folded. They got my babe right there. So yeah, I'm just folding. See, I got my pile on the floor and my husband's pile right next to me on the floor, and then I got some stuff I need to hang up. So just out of camera shot, I'm hanging up stuff in the back of the part of the closet that you can't see, but you'll get a quick glimpse at the end of the video. All of this took me about 2 hours to do. It was so dusty in there. I'm telling you, the whole time I was sneezing, my nose was running. And at the end, there's a huge pile of socks, and most of them don't even have a match. And so I end up just putting them in the bag, and getting it out the way, because I'm not holding on to socks that don't have a match, and some old stockings too. And so yeah, all of it took me 2 hours, and it felt good to really tackle this. So if you got bags of clothes hanging around, take it from me, grab your favorite playlist and just dive in. You'll feel so much more accomplished when you're done. And until next time, keep it organized, keep it fun, and remember, you're not alone in this clothing adventure. See you later. Bye.